Guys, my plan was to do a yoga teacher license in India.
Who told you to talk too much? Start the fucking bike if you can, otherwise leave it.
But as we all know, life has different plans for us.
So, this is our reality. We drive from Dehradun to Delhi. Look.
I feel like, I don't know, it's like another planet or something, like the moon landscape. Look at the landscape.
Life actually happens in the moments between your plans.
इशारे लतिये हाँ कितने बच्चे हो 10 we should have 10 kids. How many you earn, by the way?
Half.
My take on it, don't ever plan your life, guys.
I guess done with the ride, huh? Oh, it's Punjab!